This is the simple handheld stabilizer, and this is the tripod. This is the adapter. This is the 360-degree cell phone holder, and this is the microphone and its two cables, and this is the cover for this microphone. I'll begin to start with this tripod first. This tripod, you can adjust it, but you need to press this button. Can you see? You need to press this button here to raise it up. Can you see? And this is the two leg. You can unfold it like this. Okay. You need to press this button to adjust it. And this is the screw you need to install to the cell phone holders. I'll install it now. There are two screw positions, one here and one here. You make sure this one will be installed to this place. Now it is connected already. And this screw, after you lose it, you can turn it 360 degree, but you make sure this screw is heading downside. And after that, you lock it up. I'm going to install my cell phone. This is my cell phone. This position is flexible. You can lose it. You can lose this screw to get more space. And after that, let's do it like this. After that, you can tie it up to lock it. Now you can see it has been locked already. Okay, you can still adjust it. You can still adjust it to the left side a little bit. Okay, now your phone has been installed already. After installation of the phone, this is the adapter. There is a screw here, and you put it here. You turn it clockwise like this. After you turn it clockwise, and now it has been installed. And there is a small pin. You can adjust the gap from here to here. You can see it's moving from left side to the right side. Okay, now this adapter is installed already. So I'm going to install the microphone. This is the microphone, and there is a base here. You make sure this base will enter this position, and after that you begin to tie it up to narrow the space, and after that you are going to turn this screw. See, there is another screw. You can lock it up like this. So now this microphone has been installed already. There are two cables. There are two cables for the microphone. The short one is for cameras. And the longer one is for cell phone to microphone. There are two tags. This tag is rating microphone. It has two rings, so you connect it to this microphone. And another one is written smartphone, and it's written, you can even see the smartphone logo here. So you connect it to the smartphone. So now this microphone and the smartphone has been connected already like this. So if you want to do vlog, you can fold the leg and begin to hold it like this. Can you see? So if you are tired, you can just unfold this leg and put it on the ground. Put it on the ground like this. And also, you can turn it 360 degree by turning it like this and lock it here. So now you can see the microphone is by the right side of the cell phone. So you can turn to different degree like this. Okay. For the microphone, if you don't want this cable, there's another way to install it. You remove it from here. Can you see? You remove it from here, and now you install it to this position. You can also turn it 360 degree like this. So if you choose option 3 has this flashlight. It has the same way to install it. You open it here, and later you push this one inside and lock it. After you lock it, you turn this screw to lock it from upper side. Okay, now it also has been locked already. So after you remove everything, this is the option 3. Option 3. One tripod, one 360 degree cell phone holder, and one adapter and one flashlight. So this is option 3. I hope you understand everything now. Thank you.